Do you want to know how to split the bill on your Revolut account with your friends? Here's the step-by-step process on how to do it. So first, you need to access your Revolut account by simply opening it and tendering your credentials for you to able to access it. After that, you will see this page and you just have to navigate to the two arrows located at the bottom. And once you click on it, you will see plus new button located at the top right corner of your screen that you will be needing to click. After clicking on it, you will see under the add new, the bank recipient, card recipient, group, and contact. You will have to click the group for you to able to pay expenses with your friends. After that, this is the group that you have or created, and then you will see your friends there. And after creating a group, you just have to click add bill, which is located at the top left corner. And for you to able to split bill, you just have to select bill that you wanted to split with your friends. For example, this one. It will automatically split the bill with your friends. And that's how you split bill in your Revolut account.